Hey, what's going on, everybody? EXO coming at you here with some awesome freaking news. I have done something crazy, you guys. As you know, I've been needing to buy some new beefy amplifiers for our subwoofer setup here and all that bass. And by golly, that's exactly what I did. Say hello to the new EXO powerhouse. 12 6Ks from Incriminator audio, baby. I honestly couldn't resist myself. The second I saw these over at Slamology this year, I had such a good feeling. The footprint especially. I was so pumped up to go pick them up this last weekend, man. Oh my good word in heaven. What is happening? I can't believe that I'm getting my hands on all this. Look at it. Look at the thickness of it. That's the split force, so it's double stack technology. It fits for me. It's perfect for Behemoth. So I'm able to fit 12 of these in the back compartment where you saw it's small, but it's perfect. For real though, it's such a good match back here. I can keep running my preferred style of Korean amp without dealing with a dozen surfboards hanging 10. With that many biggins, it can kind of be a pain, so Incriminator's spot on with that split force. You lifted all these just for me. I feel honored. What
I told you I was gonna bring them. It's gonna be a surprise, so here they are.
Look at it. My heart's racing right now. I can feel it coming through. Hopefully I got a nice stable view. There they are, the Reserve IX6.1s. Don't let that fool you. That's a West of 1% THD right there, and I'm gonna bring these guys to full clipping, so we're gonna see some monstrous power out of these. Thank you so much. Here we are at the XS Power Show. Freaking luxury service delivery right out of the trunk. Dude, I was ready to rock. Brand new bass amps and still in my weight class. Ooh. That's just talking dirty at this point. Look at them, I even got them lifting them for me. Look at that. How much do they weigh per amp?
They're close to 40 pounds.
That's perfect, man. Look at that. That is some serious stuff right there. We're gonna stack them to the ceiling all the way in. I feel honored.
Are they gonna fit?
Hey, Vanna
Oh,
White.
it's the last one, okay.
Last one.
Here we go.
That's over 70,000 watts of power right there. All going to one purpose, extreme bass to the face. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. All right, so we just got back to the homestead, got the vehicle parked right out here. We're gonna get those amps out of here, but look who I got. I got the man himself checking it, giving his professional opinion. Oh, I'm getting the thumbs up already, man. Now I'm feeling real good.
Loud.
Yeah, this man knows what he's talking about when he says the word loud. And we're gonna get there ourselves with 12 of these bad boys. Oh, all loaded up, look at that view right there. And this is what I'm thinking, all laid 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe a row of 6 this way or a row of 3 that way. What do you think would look good back here, man?
About to get a tape measure and figure it out. They're only like 10 inches, so I mean, you could easily fit, you know, all across there. That wouldn't be a problem at all. You know how cool it would look if you had like, say 4 of them across and they were angled and then you had them in rows.
All right, I think I'm picking up what you're putting down, so kind of like a cascading, almost like a fin effect going down.
Yeah, you could have them where they're kind of leaned into your cells across the bottom, 4 and then 4 and then 4, and that way you'd have all those voltmeters just giving it at you, and then that way it would all just be boom.
So yeah, I'm super excited to get this going. It's more than enough power. As you can see, we got 12 drivers, 12 amps. That's an individual amp per woofer, more than enough. And you were saying these things, they're conservatively rated. You do that on purpose.
Yeah, they're 6,000 watts is rated, and that's based upon less than 1% distortion. I mean, you're gonna talk a good 8,500 plus out of each one of these amplifiers. So I'm worried now that you're not gonna be able to keep the cabin together because everything else.
Yeah, we were talking about up here. Give me some suggestions for that area, and he's like already seeing some. Okay, this is gonna break. This is gonna break.
We're gonna be blowing out windows and tearing up doors here pretty soon.
All right, the moment I've been waiting for, finally got some alone time with our beauties here. Let's go ahead and get them undressed, see what it's all about, huh? Man, this is so exciting. I mean, I've been working towards this one particular thing for years and years, dreaming about the build, you know, doing it one bit at a time, slowly but surely. So to have this big monumental step pretty much already made up is so awesome to me. It was really a big thing. If you saw me at Slamology, I didn't know which way to go. But look at them. There's it is, the IX6.1s. Let's see what it's like, huh? You guys are probably wondering, you know, why I chose these, so I'll go ahead and show you a couple of the cool features that I really like about them. I mean, obviously it fits the bill with how big it is, or how small it is, I should say, but there's other things that are really cool about these amps. So let's go ahead and see if we can shed some light on some of those cool things. Oh man, for only 40 pounds, the way these things are shaped, they sure are stout feeling. Holy smokes, feels like a chunk of lead over here. All right, let's put that off to the side and show off the Reserve series right here. Oh man, I don't care who you are, it's always exciting to unwrap some new car audio, especially when it's got that fresh new car audio smell. Give me a break. This is what I live for. So, what's jumping out at you? First glance, huh? Look how thick it is. That's exactly what I was trying to drill home. The split force. It's more power towered up. That's the whole point, so it can be shorter, and I really like that. They were also able to cram in some more fans because of it. So we got an intake, an exhaust for all that nice cross flow. That's gonna work out great. Because when you think of it, most people can afford the dimension height-wise, but not so much when you get bigger and bigger lengthwise. So that's pretty damn sweet. And also pretty befitting, we have 4-gauge speaker wire coming out already in our build, and it has perfect little dual, look at that, there's 2 of them in there. So that'll be easier for people that are running multiple subs or dual voice coils. Now let's flip her around to the business side of things. With power, we've got 3 0-gauge inputs shining bright, and I like how they're not angled. That's kind of a pet peeve of mine, but you don't ordinarily see it on this style of Korean amp. So going right along, we got some high quality Tiffany style RCAs. And what's even better about this, speaking of RCAs and gain matching and input voltage, with these amplifiers, you can set it and forget it. Literally one and done. So you have this amplifier controlling all of the rest via this mirror port. So you can set it, and everything that's plugged into the output side of the mirror line is identical. And another cool feature you can't overlook, because it's right here in your face, is the onboard voltmeter. It's nice and blue, so it actually has the nice effect back there. Imagine seeing them all lined up like Nick was already mentioning. You know how on amplifiers there's usually a clipping indicator, a power, and protect light, and they're usually tucked away somewhere under your seat or in the back of your box somewhere where you can't see them? Well, these can actually extend those with a pigtail anywhere you want, so you can actually see when an amplifier is powered on. So as you can see, there's plenty to love about this amplifier, and I think it's gonna be a match made in heaven between me, the behemoth, and this little love affair right here. So stay tuned as we size up all these amplifiers for our crazy car audio install, man. A dozen of these. Oh gosh, we're gonna try our best to fit them somehow back there. Some nice cascading waterfall patterns. Oh, it's gonna look so beautiful. It really does feel like a weight lifted off my shoulders. Finally having this decision under my belt, man. Whew, this is monumental, dude. So thank you guys for watching. Just wanna do a quick little EXO expose/announcement video of all this exciting stuff. I mean, come on now. 12 6.1s, this is incredible. If you guys want to check out your own little Incriminator audio, I'll include some links in the description to the Showtime Electronics web store. We carry all this stuff, and it feels cool to be able to have something that we carry. So yeah, go ahead and check it out on the site. There's plenty more where that came from. So until the next video, this is EXO signing out, literally on top of the world right now. This is fantastic. It's all coming together, you guys. Whew, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Be loud, stay loud, and be proud.